doing, Grandad?
So, we bought this worker wonder. It's a toilet roll holder, and it's meant to fix without having to nail it or screw it, sorry, to the wall.
Smart World worker wonder.
Smart World worker wonder.
Stainless steel.
Stainless steel.
Yeah, it's called Smart Lock.
Smart lock. So let's try it.
Okay.
Okay. When?
Right, so I'm going to sit down and open this. I'm going to sit down and pretend I'm in the place where, oh, I can't open this, you open it.
Like,
Now we finally got this open. It's well packaged, so that's the glue. And so it's got to fix on there and you can just reach it.
so I'm just going to give the tiles a bit of a clean.
Not a permanent marker, is it?
No, I've got a bit of whiteboard marker here, so I'm going to just mark it roughly where it's going to go.
That's just the top.
Okay, so this is the glue. Right, so putting glue around this, bit around there.
Is that what it tells you?
Yeah, a bit around there. Like a paste, really. And that should be nice, shouldn't it?
Well,
Right.
there you go. Lancashire glue.
Okay, so that's going on there like that. Okay. So I'll pop it on there, and what it says, I've got to make sure, got to hold it in place for a minute. It says make sure that there it's all parallel, so just got to, that's it there. So I'm just going to leave that like that. And it says hold it in place for a minute. The instructions say to wait 24 hours before you fit the actual toilet roll holder onto it. So what we do is we're just going to quickly wipe off the black pen. I think there was only wrong. Take the holder. That's it. As you can see, it's got this wire on the back that's going to slot into this recess. Take it, we pop it in through there. Push it through. And that's it. Once that's done, just going to push this on. Just make sure it's happy with that. Push that on. Make sure it's pushed on all the way around. There you go. Okay. Put it on. Bob's your uncle.